اليوم رح فرجيكم مملكة الطيور بنياجرا فولز، شلالات نياجرا اللي تقع ما بين الحدود الأمريكية الكندية. هون رح فرجيكم كمان شلالات نياجرا من مالتنا من مالة أمريكا. خليكم
known far and wide for his groundbreaking expeditions in the ancient land of Egypt. Playing his act somewhere in the perilous jungle, and now he has vanished without a trace. The professor has set his sights on a new flight to uncover the legendary Lost Kingdom of Birds.
Hello? Hello? Can you speak with them?
Yeah, she does talk a little bit. She also really likes to wave. That is probably her favorite thing ever.
Hi.
Good job, Jackie. And what do you want? You want a cookie? Good job. Can you give me a kiss? Good. How about a real kiss? Oh, good job. And do we play games? Do you go? Good. And where's your tongue? No. Do you go? No, you don't want to show off your tongue? No way. Okay, that's okay. Can you laugh? You go. Oh, there's your tongue. Good job, Jack. Just a little delayed. Do you laugh? Do you go? Ha ha ha? Good. Who's next?
Can you try to speak with that guy?
The big one or?
Yeah, the big one. Oh, whatever.
Hi, Lucy. You want to come down top? Says, yes, I would love attention. All right, Lulu. Do you say, hello? Hello. Good. Do you go, what is that? Is that peekaboo? I know. Oh, there's more people coming to watch you. What do you think? You go, peekaboo. Good job. Do you laugh? Amazing. Can you give a kiss? Go ahead, give a small kiss. There you go. And how about some great big fancy wings?
Oh.
Good job, Lucy. Yeah.
Her name is Lucy?
Lucy, yes. She is a scarlet macaw. Fly guy, but he still does do some things like dancing. Oh, we're fancy. Oh, good job. How about another dance? Amazing. Can we do a chicken? Where's your chicken? Good job. And kind of already waving, so we'll count it. Good job. Yeah, Jack is like, where's me? I'm a very cute lady and I'm waving. Where's my attention?
بس بتعرفوا شو هو الشي المخيف عن جد؟ هالضفادع الصغار شكلهم كيوت وألوانهم بتجنن مثل لعب الأطفال، بس بالحقيقة إنهم أبعد ما يكونوا عن البراءة. هدول عبارة عن فخ حي، ألوانهم زاهية مو للزينة. هاي رسالة واضحة، أنا سامة، اوعكم تلمسوني. سموهن ضفادع السهام السامة، مو لأنهم بيهاجموك، بس لأنه سكان الغابات بأمريكا الجنوبية كانوا ياخدوا السم من جلدهم ويحطوه على رؤوس السهام وقت الصيد. والأغرب إنه هالسهم ما بينتجوه من جسمهم لحالهم، لا، بياخدوه من نوع معين من الحشرات يلي بياكلوهم بالغابة. يعني لو ربيتهم بالبيت بدون أكلهم الطبيعي بصيروا آمنين تماما، صغار ملونين بس فيهم قوة بتكفي لقتل إنسان. هذا هو الخطر الحقيقي، الخطر يلي بيتخبى وراء الجمال.
جاهزين معي؟ هاي شلال اصطناعي، المكان كله هنتسكر، عاملينها مثل حديقة اصطناعية. في هون حوالي 800 نوع من العصافير أو الطيور. طبعا في حاسس حالي بجومانجي. again.
Tiger.
You can talk to them or?
These guys don't talk as much just because they're in the main aviary. Usually it's the birds that we interact with more that talk. So these guys don't really talk at all. They definitely yell and make some noise though, just not vocalized.
Why they yell?
They yell for most reasons. Parrots don't have very good indoor voices, so they yell for most things. So if they're happy, they'll yell. If they're mad, they'll yell.
Okay.
They pretty much, if they're feeling anything, they're gonna yell about it.
Okay.
For him, he's wanting attention. That's also why you see him kind of leaning. So usually when parrots are leaning, it means that they're trying to go somewhere or they're very interested in one spot. So he is yelling and kind of leaning. So he's like, I want attention and I want like people talking to me, but no one's
look at
talking
me,
to me
yeah.
right now. Right now?
Thank you.
No problem.
بالضبط.